Welcome to TaxTank Tutorials. In this video, we'll provide a quick overview of the summary information on the dashboard. We will also guide you through the review process for both firms and clients to streamline the traditional tax time process, manage work in progress, and monitor workload across your team. Let's get started. Once you have clients linked to your firm, the dashboard will populate with summary information in three main sections. Firstly, there's the client overview area. This allows you to track your total clients, client growth, and client losses within TaxTank throughout the year. Next, we have the tax review section, which is designed to help firms monitor the status of tax returns, from those ready for review to those completed. It also provides insights into staff allocations, aiding in workload management. Finally, there's the client portfolio summary, focusing on the property tank. Here you'll find an overview of total client market values, loan balances, and equity. You can delve deeper into specific portfolios to examine the numbers. As clients allocate transactions or update valuations, these summary amounts will update in real time. Now let's have a look at the review process. In TaxTank, we have a built-in functionality to streamline tax time clients and manage work for firms. It all starts from the client's dashboard. When a client has finished a financial year and is ready for their tax return to be prepared, they can select the Request Review button for the relevant financial year. When this happens, the allocated accountant is notified, and the client appears in the Review tab with a ready status. When the accountant begins working on the return, they simply update the status to In Progress, which automatically notifies the client of the progress. Throughout the entire return preparation process, the accountant has the flexibility to adjust the status, such as when waiting for client input or approval. This ensures that the client stays informed every step of the way until the completion stage. When the status is changed to Waiting for Client, you can send a message directly to the client within the app detailing what needs to be done. Once the client completes the requested task, they can notify the accountant, and the status will revert back to In Progress. After the return is signed and lodged, updating the status to Completed notifies the client. The history log conveniently tracks all status changes and timestamps, providing an audit trail to monitor progress and performance effectively. Once again, the review section of the dashboard serves as a valuable tool for monitoring work in progress and team workload. If a team member is overloaded or no longer with the firm, client reallocation can be easily managed from the Users tab. To initiate reallocation, simply search or scroll to locate the accountant, then select the three dots on the right-hand side, followed by the Transfer Clients option. From there, you can choose one or multiple clients and designate the receiving team member to reallocate reviews. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out or explore our support articles and videos for further assistance.